Hi, everyone. I'm going to give you a quick how-to on how to use screencastify. This way, if you want to make your presentation and you can record it this way, unless you have something else that you want to do it. You go to the Chrome web store. And you search out screencastify. And this is what you're going to end up getting. I already have it, so I would put add to Chrome, and then it would come up and it looks a little bit like this arrow up here. So once that happens, I'm going to go back for a second because I can't, whoops. When you decide to make your video, you're going to click on this and this screen here comes up. And it gives you an option to use your microphone and embedded webcam. And in my case, since I have a Mac, it uses the FaceTime webcam and it uses the microphone. And then there's also more options that it shows down here. And let me just see if it shows you that. No, okay. And you get to pick whether you want to, how long you want to have the countdown. I put 10 so that 10 seconds so I'm ready to count down. But then you hit record and it'll count down. It tells you, it pops up with the screen. Do you want to have your whole screen or just a little bit? You make the choice and then you hit record. It counts down and then you get this screen at the bottom, which is sharing the screen. And I can hide it. And I found out it goes over here, which I tend to lose every once in a while, so I usually leave it there. So I'm going to show you this, just what ended up I do. So I play this from the start, and then I could talk about this to my ninth graders. And if you notice, it has the captioning that comes up too. So I hit next screen, then we talk about this video, and we talk about the Niger River and so forth, and we go on, hit another screen, same thing, another thing comes up, then we start talking about Africa, and I usually give them a little bit more information. What is the answer? What did you pick? Remember, physical, topographical, etc. And so that's the way I would suggest you do it. Now, when I'm done, I'm going to hit stop sharing, and when you stop sharing, it's going to give you an option of auto save to drive, publish on YouTube, or download to a disk. If you auto save it to your drive, then you can just attach that and share that link with me as part of your presentation. If you have any questions, you know how to get in touch with me. Stay safe. Hope everybody's healthy. And I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy this little bit of a break. Oops.